Right now I'm standing in front of Valencia University, which is the most oldest university ever found in Valencia, Spain. It was established back in 1432 or maybe 1442, I don't know the exact number, but with respect to that number, it's the most old institution ever found in Valencia, Spain. So this university has different campuses in Valencia city. So some of the campuses are in the main city center and some of the campuses are out of the city center. The campus you can see right behind me, it's completely out of the city town, the city center, and this is known as a Parc Scientific, and the area is known as a Peterna or Burjasot campus. So this is out of city, and some of the campuses are mainly located in the main city area. So I am doing my PhD from this Parc Scientific Valencia University Burjasot Peterna campus. So some of the campuses, some people are studying in the main city center, but like you can still see, it's a very lively city, and some like you can see the locations around. And even if you go further ahead, you will find some the good markets and some Pakistani stores as well. So this is the Valencia University outside view. Today I'm going to share a very important and very hot news with you guys. Actually, I saw someone shared a news about Spanish government scholarship which they are offering to 850,000 international applicants, and I want to share the detail of that scholarship with you guys so that you can let me tell you, you can prepare for that scholarship and not apply for that scholarship, because that is not the existed scholarship. That is purely a fake scholarship and it's a scam. Actually, someone just posted randomly on the social media. I think someone posted on the Facebook and then Twitter, and then just to get some views, likes and some traffic on their website. So when I searched into the detail of that scholarship, I found nothing. I was actually going to share with you guys, okay, Spanish government is offering this scholarship, but upon going into the detail of that scholarship, I found that is purely a bogus scholarship. There was no authenticity, no authentic channel was found. So if you really want to go into the detail of that scholarship and want to see, okay, whether it is the fake news or maybe like the true news, there is a Pakistani student named Sayer who is a PhD student in Spain. Basically, I got help from his channel, and he actually searched a lot about this scholarship, and he found that it's a totally bogus stuff. Nothing is reported authentic about this scholarship from any channel actually. And if you really want to go into the detail and wants to check its authenticity, whether this scholarship was true or not, you can go to his channel and follow the video related to this scholarship, which the link I have already given in the description box. So be aware of these scams. Take care of yourself. If you have any question related to studying in Spain, studying in Europe and any other scholarship information, please hit me up. I will get back to you whenever I will get time. Till then, take care of yourself. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.